Molly. Molly, what are you doing?
I'm doing my gymnastics. Mommy, can you get me pink pillow?
What do you want with your pink pillow? There's Baylor. Should we say hi to Baylor? Hi Baylor, how are you? Oops. You're tired. You actually fell asleep during your rest today, didn't you? Yeah. Oop, there's your sister. Oh boy, more obstacles for her gymnastics. Better watch it. Pretty squishy, isn't it, Molly?
Yeah.
It's hard to walk on.
Yeah. I'm tired.
You're tired?
I'm tired to do it. Hi everybody.
Hi, Molly.
Oh. Mommy, and bye-bye.
Oh, bye-bye.